G'day guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add a public folder contact group into your contacts in Outlook. To make this work, you'll need to have Exchange or Microsoft 365 for your emails. So you can see here I've got my contacts. Now this is just my personal contacts that are located inside of my email. So we've also got into our folders, we've got a public folder contact list here. You can see this contact group called Business Contacts. Now this is a shared contact group that's shared publicly throughout our organisation. It's called Business Contacts. Now, accessing it this way through the folders can get a bit annoying. It also means that it's not available in Outlook when you're trying to send an email. So to add that into your contacts or into your contacts area in here, you right click on it and say add to favorites. When you click that add to favorites button, this window will pop up. If you do want to change the name, you can, but I recommend leaving it the same just so you know that it is the public folder and everybody has the same name everywhere or for each of their computers. So click add. Once that's added, it'll show here under other contacts, and there's our business contacts. So now click that, it'll load that from that shared public folder contact group. You can move this up into your different folders if you wish as well.